The container has a height of 50 centimeter and a radius of 18 centimeter. Calculate the volume of the cylinder and show that it rounds to 50,900 centimeter cube. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. So what is our equation? Volume is equal to volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square times h. Okay. So radius is unknown. It is radius is known. That is equal to 18, right? And sorry. So value of h value is equal to 50. So you plug in these values in this pi multiplied by 18 square into 50. Okay. So figure out the value of volume. Volume is equal to pi into 18 square into 50. Okay. Anyone, can you please annotate the answer for this question, please? Annotate. Yeah, correct. 50,893.8. Correct. So we can round it into 50,900 centimeter. Okay, 50,900 centimeter cube. So this will be the volume of this cylinder. Now, move to the next question. 30 liters of coffee are poured into this container. Work out the height of the empty space in the container. So we know the total volume of this container is 50,900 centimeter cube. So first of all, you try to convert this. That is 50,894. That's correct. Okay, but they are asking to show it rounds to 50,900 centimeter cube. So we are basically rounding into 50,900 centimeter cube. Okay. Now we know that basically 30 liters of coffee are poured into this container. So first you convert this 30 liters into centimeter cube. Okay, so convert 30 liter into centimeter cube. Okay, so we need to find this unknown height. So that is our ultimate aim. So if first you convert this 30 liter into centimeter cube, we know this total height is equal to 50. Okay, so if we know the height of this this particular amount of coffee, then 50 minus, let this height be, let it be x. So what will be the value of h? H will be 50 minus x, right? So 50 minus x will be the height h. Okay, so first of all, our ultimate aim is to find the value of this x. So we know 30 liters of coffee is poured into this container. So first you can try to convert this 30 liter into centimeter cube. So how can you convert this 30 liter into centimeter cube? So what is our conversion formula? 1 liter is basically 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is our conversion formula. So you should remember this. What is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now we have 30 liters. So 30 liters means 30 liter is basically 30 multiplied by 1000. That means 30,000 . 30,000 centimeter cube. Clear? 30,000 centimeter cube. So this is our volume of our coffee. 30,000 centimeter cube. We know that this is also a shape of a cylinder.
Hello.
With a radius 18 centimeter. So you can equate the volume. Can I clear this screen so that I guess you followed this, right? So I'm going to clear this. Okay, so 30, we got the volume of this coffee is equal to 30,000, right? So 30,000 is equal to, what is equation for volume of a cylinder? Pi multiplied by radius is same. Okay, so 18 square, and this height we know that, let it be x. So pi multiplied by, you may be confused with this multiplication and this simple x. So that's why I will specifically write pi multiplied by 18 square multiplied by x. Okay, so pi into 18 square into x. The value of x is equal to, rearrange this, 30,000 divided by pi multiplied by 18 square. So what will be the value of x? Calculate it. 30,000 divided by pi into 18 square. Okay, so plug in these values in your calculator and find the value of x. So find the value of x. I'm expecting your answer. I'm giving you 1 minute time. It's no need of 1 minute. You just plug in the value, please. $29.47. Is it 29.47? Yeah, the 29.47 centimeter. The 29.47 centimeter is the value of x. But that is not the answer for our question, right? So our height is something different. So how to find our height? Any idea? How to find our height? So h value will be equal to, we know the total height is 50, right? So total height is 50. So you subtract 50 minus x. So that will be equal to 50 minus, yeah, 29.47. So answer 20 point something. 20.53, right? Check it. 20.53 centimeter. Very good. 20.53 centimeter. So that will be the height of this cylinder. Okay. So I hope you got it. So this is how we are calculating this. Use your logic basically. It is not a direct answer. Use your logic and find the solution for this test. Clear? Now I'm moving to next question. Clear? So I'm moving to next question. So cups in the shape of a hemisphere are filled with a coffee from the container. Okay. So the radius of this cup is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Work out the maximum number of these cups that can be completely filled from the 30 liters coffee in the container. Any idea? Since it is a hemisphere, we can calculate the volume of this hemisphere. We know the total volume of this coffee is equal to 30 liter. That is in the 30,000 centimeter cube of coffee we have. We know the individual volume of this cup. So try to figure out the total volume divided by volume of one cup will give a total number of cups. Okay. So I will write this equation. You try to figure out the value. So total volume of this coffee is 30,000. So 30,000 divided by 30,000 divided by what is the volume of this hemisphere? Answer 2 by 3 pi. What is the radius into 3.5 cube? Okay. So 30,000 divided by work out the maximum number of these cups that can be completely filled from the 30 liters coffee in this container. So we try to convert this 30 liter into centimeter cube, and 30,000 divided by 2 upon 3 pi into 3.5 cube, because we know that, yeah, very good, Subair. 334 cups. 334 cups. 334 cups. So 4-mark question. Still, it's 4-mark question. It's okay, because first of all we have to convert this 30 liter into centimeter cube, otherwise the answer will be wrong. So for that they will be allotting 1 mark, and it is given this most of your seniors are making a mistake, like directly they are applying 4 by 3 by r cube, but it is basically a hemisphere, so we have to take the half of that volume, that is 2 upon 3 pi into 3.5 cube, and that will give us 334 cups. Okay, 334 cups, maximum number of that cups. We don't want to round it. Okay, so we have to take the base value, completely filled from completely filled, right? So 330, even though we are getting 334 point something, completely filled means 334. So that's why we are using, we are writing the answer as 334. So that's about the question 334. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please let me know. So if you have any doubt with this question, let me know. Otherwise, I'm moving to next question. Clear? Now, the hotel also uses glass in the shape of a cone. The capacity of each glass is 95 centimeter cube. The volume of this cone is 95 centimeter cube. Calculate the radius r and show that it rounds to 3.3 centimeter correct to 1 decimal place. The volume, the capacity of this cone is also given. Okay, so we know that the volume of this cone is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. So volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi r square h. So h is known, h value is known, and even r is not known, right? But the volume is given 95, right? So we can equate this. So I'm going to equate 95 is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square multiplied by 8.4 multiplied by 8.4. It is not 8 into 4, that is 8.4. Okay, so 8.4. So 1 by 3 into pi into r square into 8.4. Then make r square a subject. Yeah, correct. Make r square a subject and find the value. Okay, 95 is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r square into 8.4. Where is correct? 3.28. No worries. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 95. that is r square. If so, if we want to make